Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the divide command. So let's start with this tutorial. Now divide command is basically used to divide a single line segment in multiple parts. We'll see how to work with this divide command. First we'll take a line here. We'll take line command and draw a line here of length 600 and say enter. Now suppose if I want to divide this line in 3 equal parts. So what I'll do is, we'll take divide command. Shortcut command for divide is div. Say enter. Now select this line segment. Now here you will get these instructions. Enter the number of segment. Now I want to divide this segment into 3 parts. So I'll give here number 3. Say enter. Now if you see here, the points of divisions are not visible. So what we'll do, we'll go to utilities, select point style. Now here choose any one of the point style. I'll choose this and say OK. Now here you can see these points of divisions are marked with this symbol. So you can easily locate these points. Now suppose if I want to draw any object taking these symbols as a center point. Suppose if I want to draw a circle using these points as a center point, then we'll take a circle command. Now I want to locate this point, but if you see here, I can't locate this point exactly. So for that we'll go to this object snap, click on this drop down. Here there will be option node. Click on this and say enter. Now if I move my cursor on this, I'll be able to locate this point exactly. I'll click here and draw a circle here. Again I'll locate this point and I'll draw a bigger circle here. So hope you all have understand how to use this divide command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.